also make shapes and stuff. Oh, damn.
Like in the fourth Harry Potter, maybe the leprechaun.
Yeah.
Dude, I wish those were real. I would be like...
I'm sure they're working on
I like the ones where you can see them go up.
Don't obscure my vision!
Don't obscure my vision.
Why are they just getting here?
Dumb.
They don't appreciate the power of Christmas.
Yes, that is it.
So,
Merry Easter.
Merry Easter, guys. Have fun.
We should yell that at people.
Next year I want to go to the bottom.
What do you say to people? Happy 4th of July? Or was it Merry 4th of July?
happy. I think Christmas is the only one where you
I'm
say
just
Merry.
like,
That one
yo,
too.
dude. It's the 4th of July. Have fun.
Look at that. It's like,
I don't ever wish anybody a happy 4th of July. You don't ever see those banners either.
Ah!
You're smoky.
I like this one, look. It wasn't.
I had one like that on my phone. It looks so cool.